Women feel sexually and romantically attracted to men who have a high level of social and emotional intelligence. But why is that? And how does it work? What's going on? One of the reasons social and emotional intelligence is so important to women in terms of their sexual and romantic attraction is that women tend to communicate their sexual and romantic interest in very subtle ways, with very subtle signals and cues. And they expect men to be able to pick up on those. And one of the reasons for that is that women can't really go around being sexually aggressive and showing a lot of sexual interest, because men instinctively know that if a woman is sexually aggressive and very forward about sex, then she may not be very trustworthy in a relationship, right? So women can't go around doing that, and they expect men to be able to pick up on the fact that they are sexually and romantically interested without the woman having to say it directly. So a guy who has a high level of social and emotional intelligence will know about that. He will also know about so many other things to do with a woman's behavior that a guy who is naive simply won't understand. The naive guy will essentially need a woman to spell things out for him, even though she won't, because she doesn't want to seem too sexually aggressive, or she wants to see if he's confident enough as a man to not become insecure when she's not being reassuring of her interest. Alternatively, she wants to see if he's interested enough in her to continue the interaction, even though she's not making it 100% obvious that she wants him sexually or romantically. She wants to see how interested he really is. So a guy with a high level of social and emotional intelligence understands those things and so many other things, which makes interactions between him and women naturally flow towards sex and a relationship. Yet a guy who is socially naive or inexperienced or a bit awkward or unsure will find that his interactions with women are very confusing. They don't make sense. Does she actually like me? I can't really tell. He's hoping for a really obvious sign of interest, or her to maybe come on to him like women do in TV shows and movies, where the woman almost always kisses the man first. Yet in the real world, a woman rarely will do that, and she will wait for the man to have the confidence to make a move. Otherwise, she worries that she may seem too sexually aggressive, or she worries that the man will take her for granted if they get into a relationship where he'll feel like she's just too easy and so forth, and for so many other reasons, right? Guys who have a high level of social and emotional intelligence understand these things, and women need you to be able to understand that so things can flow from one step to the next between you and her. Another problem that women encounter if they are too forward and open about sex is that most guys will happily have sex with a woman once or twice if she says yes. She doesn't really need to do anything, right? Men aren't checking to see if she's got social and emotional intelligence. Is she confident or shy? If she's not very confident, I don't want to have sex with her, and so forth. Most men aren't looking for that sort of thing, and most men can instantly say yes or no to having sex with a woman without the woman having to do anything else. Right? He doesn't care what she does for a living, doesn't care what her hobbies are, doesn't care what her opinion on this or that is. It's just like, yes, you have nice boobs, you got a nice butt, your face looks good, let's get it on, right? He's just an instant yes in his mind. But women, when they interact with men, they're interested in things such as confidence, social intelligence, emotional intelligence, and so on. And that's one of the things that really confuses a lot of men who look good. Some men put in a lot of effort to build muscle, and some men are very physically strong. They're tough guys, right? They could handle themselves in a fight. They're not afraid of things. They're just tough guys. But when they're interacting with a woman, they can easily start to feel unsure of themselves if the woman isn't being very reassuring or isn't being obvious about her interest, right? So the guy will be interacting with her, and she won't be making it obvious that she wants to be with him. And despite the fact that he's a very tough guy and usually isn't afraid of anything, suddenly he starts to feel afraid. He's worried about getting rejected. What if I show interest in this girl and she rejects me? Right? What if I try to make a move and she rejects me? And he starts to become very afraid of that. And as a result, she then starts to notice the change in his body language, in his vibe, in his behavior. She notices that he's afraid. She notices that he is unsure of himself, and that turns her off.